Today I'll teach you how to use jQuery TimePicker in ASP.NET Core. So we'll start by adding the tag helpers inside the view. Now in the body tag, I'm adding a form element and I'm setting its attribute. The very first attribute is method, whose value I'm setting as post. Then the next attribute is ASP controller, whose value I'm setting as home, which is the name of my controller. And the third attribute is ASP action. I'm setting the name of the action method here, which is index. Now inside the form element, I'm adding an HTML input text box for which I am specifying the ID and the name attributes. The name attribute will be used to receive the value of the text box inside the controller. Next to the HTML text box, I am adding a submit button. This completes the HTML part, and now we'll move to the jQuery programming. So here I have pasted some CSS and script files which will be required by the jQuery TimePicker plugin. Now inside the document ready event handler, I am applying the jQuery TimePicker plugin to the HTML text box. So this completes the application of the TimePicker plugin. Now let's move to the controller. Now inside the controller, I am creating a action method and naming as index. This action method will have a parameter named time. This particular parameter will receive the value of the HTML text box. Now inside the action method, I am converting the string value of time to a datetime object. And then inside the ViewBag object, I am saving the short time string value. If you want to know more about ViewBag, please click on the info icon on the right hand side. Finally, the view is returned. This method will handle post call, hence I am decorating it with HTTP post attribute. This completes our programming part inside the controller. Now let's move to the view again. Inside the view, I am checking the value of the ViewBag object, whether it is null or it is having any value. Now inside the if condition, I am adding a script tag. And inside the script tag, I am displaying the value of the ViewBag object using a JavaScript alert message box. So this completes our program and now we can test it. So I am running my code. As you can see, the text box and the button is being displayed. Now I am setting my focus on the text box. As you can see, the jQuery TimePicker plugin is now displaying below my text box. So I am selecting a particular time value from the list of values being displayed. And this time value is now displayed in the text box. Now I'll be clicking on the submit button, and as you can see, the time value is now displayed using JavaScript alert message box. So today we learned how to use the jQuery TimePicker plugin, and also we learned how to fetch back these values from the controller. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.